morning, students. How are you today? Bisa berharap kalian dalam keadaan baik-baik saja, sehat-sehat semua. Dan hari ini kembali kita bisa mengikuti pembelajaran bahasa Inggris bersama-sama. Oke? Tapi sebelum kita mulai pembelajaran kita akan berdoa. Silakan ambil sikap yang baik untuk kita berdoa. Dalam nama Bapa dan Putra dan Roh Kudus. Amin. Bapak yang baik, terima kasih untuk kesehatan yang Kau berikan bagi kami. Dan hari ini kami akan mengikuti pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Kiranya Tuhan memberikan kepada kami pengertian sehingga apa yang diterangkan oleh guru kami boleh mengerti dan kami boleh berguna, dan itu boleh berguna bagi kehidupan kami. Namamu kami puji kini dan sepanjang masa. Amin. Dalam nama Bapa dan Putra dan Roh Kudus. Amin. Baik anak-anak, kita akan segera mulai pembelajaran kita pada hari ini. Kalian bisa buka buku student book, page 94. As you can see on your screen, we are going to read and discuss about the text, life on a soccer team. Kehidupan dalam sebuah tim sepak bola. Oke. Kita akan dengarkan dulu rekaman. Kalian mungkin bisa mengikuti, membaca dalam hati, dan nanti kita akan mendiskusikannya. Oke? Let's go.
A. Listen and read. Life on a soccer team.
There are many professional soccer teams around the world. Let's learn about one of them. Chelsea is a famous soccer team from England. It is based in a stadium in London. The team started in 1905. It's more than 100 years old. The team is very competitive. They won their first English soccer championship in the 1950s. The team's players wear blue uniforms and their mascot is Stamford the Lion. John Terry, Frank Lampard, Didier Drogba, and Petr Cech are famous athletes who have played for Chelsea. A professional soccer team has a very busy schedule. Chelsea competes in soccer games for much of the year. Each season is about 9 months long. Almost every week, Chelsea plays against other teams. The team also travels to other teams' stadiums to play. The players need to practice a lot so they can improve. They need to eat healthy food too. Eating healthy food keeps both their bodies and minds strong. How busy is Chelsea each season? Take a look at their October schedule. They play one game each week. Being a soccer player is definitely hard work. The athletes work hard to get better and better. It's important if they want to win.
Oke, baik, tadi kalian sudah dengarkan rekaman seseorang membacakan cerita ini, and then it's time for us to discuss the text. Okay, as you can see from the title, life on a soccer team, kehidupan dalam sebuah tim sepak bola. We're going to discuss about one professional soccer team. Okay, salah satu tim sepak bola profesional, yaitu yang bernama Chelsea. Oke, untuk kalian yang penggemar Liga Inggris pasti kenal ya, atau jangan-jangan di antara kalian ada yang ngefans sama klub Chelsea ini. Kebetulan suaminya Miss Mat juga penggemar Liga Inggris, jadi dia suka sama Arsenal ya. Nah, kalau yang ini Chelsea ya, mungkin ada dari kalian yang suka dengan Chelsea. Nah, ini kita bahas ini ya. Oke, Chelsea is a famous soccer team from England. Jadi Chelsea itu adalah suatu tim sepak bola terkenal dari Inggris. Oke, it is based in a stadium in London. Jadi home base-nya itu ada di sebuah stadion di London ya. Stadion Chelsea kalau nggak salah namanya. The team started in 1905. Jadi tim ini didirikan pada tahun 1905. It's more than 100 years old. Jadi umurnya memang lebih dari 100 tahun. The team is very competitive. Jadi tim ini sangat kompetitif sekali ya. They won their first English soccer championship in the 1950s. Mereka memenangkan kejuaraan sepak bola mereka yang pertama itu di tahun 1950. The team's players wear blue uniforms and their mascot is Stamford the Lion. Jadi pemain-pemain dalam tim ini mengenakan seragam yang berwarna biru dan maskot mereka adalah seekor singa yang bernama Stamford. Okay. John Terry, Frank Lampard, Didier Drogba, and Peter Cech are famous athletes who have played for Chelsea. Okay. Nama-nama seperti John Terry, Frank Lampard, Didier Drogba, and Peter Cech itu adalah beberapa atlet terkenal yang sudah bermain, yang pernah bermain untuk klub Chelsea ini. Okay. A professional soccer team has a very busy schedule. Jadi sebuah tim sepak bola yang profesional itu punya jadwal yang sangat-sangat sibuk. Chelsea competes in soccer games for much of the year. Each season is about 9 months long. Jadi Chelsea itu berkompetisi di pertandingan sepak bola itu hampir sepanjang tahun. Jadi setiap musim, each season itu setiap musim pertandingan itu sekitar 9 bulan lamanya. Nah, almost every week Chelsea plays against other teams. Hampir setiap minggu Chelsea itu bermain melawan tim lain. The team also travels to other team stadiums to play. Tim Chelsea juga pergi ke stadion yang lain, ya stadion tim lain untuk bermain, ya biasanya ada istilah home dan away, ya yang suka sepak bola pasti tahu. Kalau home itu berarti bermain di stadion sendiri, kalau away berarti bermain di stadion lawan, oke ya. The players need to practice a lot so they can improve. Jadi para pemain itu harus ya, suatu keharusan, need to practice, harus berlatih sangat banyak sehingga mereka dapat berkembang. They need to eat healthy food too. Mereka juga harus makan makanan yang sehat. Eating healthy food keeps both their bodies and minds strong. Makan makanan yang sehat itu menjaga tubuh dan jiwa mereka kuat, ya, their mind strong, pikiran mereka kuat, gitu ya, mentalnya maksudnya. Okay, how busy is Chelsea each season? Seberapa sibukkah Chelsea itu setiap musim pertandingan? Take a look at their October schedule. Coba lihat schedule jadwal bulan Oktober mereka. They play one game each week. Jadi mereka itu bermain satu game setiap minggunya. Nah, kalian bisa baca itu ya. Being a soccer player is definitely hard work. Jadi menjadi seorang pemain sepak bola itu adalah sebuah kerja keras, ya. The athletes work hard to get better and better. Jadi atlet itu bekerja keras untuk menjadi lebih baik, semakin lebih baik. It's important if they want to win. Jadi hal ini penting jika mereka ingin menang. Nah, jadi itu kita sudah mendiskusikan tentang Chelsea, ya, Chelsea team, gitu kan? Okay, now let's try to answer the questions, ya. The first one, what is Chelsea and when did it start? Apa itu Chelsea dan kapan dimulai didirikannya? Oke, ya, jawabannya kalian sudah temukan? Oke, Chelsea is a famous soccer team from England. Nah, ini jawaban yang pertama. And when did it start? The team started in 1905. Oke, ini dia. 1905 ya. Oke. Pertanyaan kedua. Why do the players need to eat healthy food? Why do the players need to eat healthy food? Because eating healthy food keeps both their bodies and minds strong? Nah, ini jawabannya. Because eating healthy food keeps both their bodies and minds strong. Okay, last question. What time is Chelsea playing on Saturday, October 12th? What time is Chelsea playing on Saturday, October 12th? Kita lihat, October 12th, Saturday at 5 p.m. Okay. At 5 p.m. Okay. Sudah semua ya? Baik. Oke ya, jadi cerita tentang Chelsea ini terus kalian ingat karena di halaman 96 kita akan mendengarkan percakapan ya antara dua orang teman ini tentang Chelsea tadi. Oke? Listen and answer the boys' questions. Okay?
D. Listen and answer the boys' questions.
What are you doing on Saturday? Do you have plans?
Yes, I'm going somewhere.
Where are you going?
I'm going home to watch Chelsea play in a soccer game.
Oh, cool. They're a great team. They have a cool mascot.
Number 1.
What's the name of Chelsea's mascot? Have you been a Chelsea fan for a long time?
Yes, I grew up watching their games. There have been so many great players on the team.
Number 2.
Who was one famous athlete who has played for Chelsea? Oh, I've heard of him. I think Didier Drogba is another player. He's originally from the Ivory Coast in Africa.
That's right. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Wait, it's winter now. Does Chelsea play in the winter?
Yes, definitely.
They must get cold. I bet they play a lot.
Number 3.
How many months of the year does Chelsea play? Boy, they must get tired. Would you mind if I watched the game with you?
Sure, let's go.
Oke, sudah kalian jawab pertanyaan tadi? Nah, sekarang listen again and check your answers, okay?
E. Listen again and check your answers.
What are you doing on Saturday? Do you have plans?
Yes, I'm going somewhere.
Where are you going?
I'm going home to watch Chelsea play in a soccer game.
Oh, cool. They're a great team. They have a cool mascot. What's the name of Chelsea's mascot?
Stamford the Lion.
Have you been a Chelsea fan for a long time?
Yes, I grew up watching their games. There have been so many great players on the team.
Who was one famous athlete who has played for Chelsea?
Petr Cech.
Oh, I've heard of him. I think Didier Drogba is another player. He's originally from the Ivory Coast in Africa.
That's right. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Wait, it's winter now. Does Chelsea play in the winter?
Yes, definitely.
They must get cold. I bet they play a lot. How many months of the year does Chelsea play?
9 months.
Boy, they must get tired. Would you mind if I watched the game with you?
Sure, let's go.
Oke, ya. Tadi ini di sini juga Miss Mar sudah memberikan jawabannya. Kalian cek. Nah, kalau sudah selesai, sudah benar semua. Very good. Okay. Now, we are going to move on to part F. Ya, bagian F ini. Yuk, kita coba menjawab bersama ya. Number 1, Chelsea is a soccer team from blank 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 in England. Ya, from London. Ya, betul. Jawabannya adalah London. Oke. Kalian tulis. Number 2, the team started playing in tahun berapa tadi? The team started playing in 1905. Ya. Mulai bermain di tahun 1905. Number 3, they won their first championship in the tahun berapa tadi? 1950s. Ya, betul sekali. 1950s. Okay. Number 4, an English soccer season is blank 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 long. Berapa lama tadi musim pertandingan di Inggris ya? 9 months long. Good. 9 months long. Next, number 5. Chelsea plays a match blank blank during the season. Every week. Ya, Chelsea itu bermain setiap minggu selama musim pertandingan. Number 6. Chelsea is playing against Manchester United on. Kalian lihat tadi jadwalnya tadi. Chelsea lawan siapa? Oke, Manchester United on October 5th. Ya, di tanggal 5 Oktober. Number 7, Chelsea is playing at blank 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 on Sunday, October 20th. Ya, 2 p.m. Oke, jawabannya tinggal satu kan di situ. Pasti benar. Oke, betul. Oh, ternyata lawan Arsenal ya. Oke. Tadi Miss Mar sebutkan ya, kalau suaminya Miss Mar itu versi Arsenal ya. Oke. Baik, kalian sudah semua mengisi ini bersama-sama. Kita lanjut ke halaman 97. Oke. I will read the text and your job is to underline all of the activities. Okay? I'm going to start reading now. I'm going to do many things during my school vacation next week. I love to exercise outside. So I'm running with my friends on Monday at the park. On Tuesday, my brother and I are painting a picture for my mom's birthday. She likes art and we think she'll love our picture. Thursday is for sports. I'm playing soccer with my neighbors. The weekend will be busy. I need to go to the mall to buy some clothes. I love shopping, but it's not going to be all fun. I need to do some chores. My room is dirty and I need to organize my desk. Also, my bike is broken. So on Sunday, I need to go to the bike shop. There are so many things to do. Oke. Sudah semua kalian garis bawahi? Kita cek ya. Oke, seperti ini. Yang pertama adalah exercise ya, berolahraga. Terus kemudian ada running, ya sudah jelas ini adalah aktivitas ya. Kemudian ada painting a picture, okay. And then next playing soccer, and then go to the mall, buy some clothes, shopping, do some chores, organize my desk, and the last one is go to the bike shop. Tuh, ada berapa tuh? There are 10 activities mentioned in the text. Okay. Now, let's answer the questions on part B. Yeah. Number 1, what is the writer doing on Tuesday? What is the writer doing on Tuesday? Yo. Di hari ini kata kuncinya adalah Tuesday. Kalian cari Tuesday. Nah, Tuesday apa nih? Ya, his brother and he painting. They're going to painting a picture. Tulis painting a picture aja ya. Painting a picture. Oke, ini dia painting a picture. Okay, number 2. What does the writer need to do on Sunday? What does the writer need to do on Sunday? Apa tadi? Kata kuncinya Sunday. Kalian cari Sunday. On Sunday, need to go to the bike shop. Ya. Go to the bike shop. Gini aja. Betul, sudah jawabannya. Oke. Seperti ini. Oke. Sudah. Kalian tinggal tulis seperti yang Miss Mar tulis itu. Oke, sudah selesai. Nah, sekarang yang C ya. Kamu isi ya yang C ya. Misalnya, imagine you are on a school vacation next week. Bayangkan kamu ada di liburan sekolah minggu depan. What are you going to do? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan? Fill in the chart. Lengkapi tabel ini. Ya, contoh ya. Yuk, kita isi sama-sama. Misalnya activities-nya. On Monday misalnya. On Monday I need misalnya organize my desk misalnya. Menata apa? Meja. Oke. Menata meja ya. Sebentar. Ini kok seperti ini. Terlalu besar ya. Organize my desk misalnya. Oke, misalnya di sini ya. Nggak cukup ini. Oke. Organize my desk. Oke. Ini di-clear aja. Nggak bisa. Oke. Nah, organize my desk itu termasuk apa? Kegiatan yang fun atau yang termasuk kegiatan apa? Pekerjaan rumah. Pekerjaan rumah kan? Kalian centang yang ini. Are you doing it alone or are you doing it with others? Misalnya kamu mengajak adik atau kakakmu, atau kamu mengerjakan sendiri misalnya. Kalau alone ya centang alone, kalau dengan orang lain centang yang dengan orang lain. Paham ya? Oke. Contoh yang kedua misalnya hari Selasa. You're going to misalnya swim misalnya. Swimming. Go swimming. Go swimming misalnya. Oke. Go swimming itu termasuk sport kan? Nah, itu apa? Fun atau chore? Pasti fun. Jadi kalian centang yang fun. Alone or with others? Oh, I'm going swimming with my brothers misalnya ya. Dicentang with others seperti itu. Paham anak-anak? Ya, kalian lengkapi sampai hari sampai weekend itu ya. Sampai weekend Sabtu Minggu itu. Oke. Itu tugas kamu. Tapi yang ini nanti kalian kerjakan tapi tidak usah dikumpulkan ya. Yang harus dikumpulkan adalah dari workbook halaman 66 sampai 69. Oke? Jadi tugas kamu ada dua nih tugas kamu. Yang pertama mengisi ini tapi tidak usah dikumpulkan. Yang kedua mengerjakan workbook halaman 66 sampai 69 itu difoto lalu dikirimkan ke WA Miss Mar. Oke, paham ya? Jadi Miss Mar ulang, yang harus dikumpulkan adalah yang workbook saja. Yang di student book ini tidak usah. Oke? Unit 8 sudah selesai. Itu artinya minggu depan kita akan mengadakan penilaian harian. Anak-anak siapkan dengan baik. Kalian pelajari lagi unit 8 seluruhnya. Ya. Kalau masih ada yang nggak paham, boleh tanya ke Miss Mar. Oke? I guess this is all for our today's lesson. Before we end our meeting, I want to remind you to do your assignments. Ya, jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan tugasmu and send them to me. Jangan lupa dikirimkan ke Miss Mar. Ya. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day.